Hey guys, George from SoundTraxx here, and I want to talk to you about a little known feature of the Tsunami 2, and that's our decoder for electrics. So let's dive into that right now. So with the Tsunami 2 product line, we've introduced an electric sound decoder. Now following the way that our diesel and steam decoders are set up, where you can make your CV adjustments to match the decoder to your model, you can do the same thing with the electric. All the way from a heavy electric like you see here with this GG1, or all the way down to a small streetcar or trolley, and everything in between, including the AEM7s or the new Acellas that Amtrak's running all up in the Northeast Corridor. Now in there you've got a list of appropriate air horns, bells, air compressors, and other sounds that you can choose. There are also some unique sounds that are in the electric decoder, including a trolley stop request, and then you can hit a function and hear the doors open and close. So when your trolley is running down the tracks, you can actually stop and pick up those passengers. So let's take a look at it and see how it sounds. So now once we've selected our locomotive, the first thing we have to do is raise our pantograph. So if you'll listen, we'll press F4. You hear the pantograph raise, and once it hits the wire, the electricity starts to flow. You'll hear the fans and the compressor kick on. Now once all of that is running, then we'll go ahead and move our locomotive here forward about speed step 5. You can hear the traction motors play in. And by using our dynamic digital exhaust now, I'm going to put a little resistance on the wheels. You can hear that electric traction motors kick up and they work a little harder against my hand. Now one of the really neat features that's unique to the electric is the arcing light. Now if you can put an LED up inside the pantograph, when we go a little faster, right now I have it set up for the headlight, but you'll be able to see an arcing light that corresponds with the sounds. So as we talked about, some of the unique features that are on our electric decoder that help illustrate the trolley a little better is the stop request. So we're going to run this locomotive along. We're going to do our stop request, which is F5. We're going to hit our brakes. And once our car comes to a stop, we can open the pneumatic doors. Now our people are getting on and off the trolley. We can close the doors again. And then we'll release our brakes and we're ready to go. Now once we've started to slow down, one of the other features we have built into the Tsunami 2 in our hyperlight section is called the brake lights. And so on this locomotive I've got it assigned to the rear light. But when we hit the brakes, you're actually going to see the brake light intensify as the brakes are set. So following the same Tsunami 2 features with the F11 brakes, we're going to apply the independent. We're going to let it go. We're going to apply our brakes. And you can see the brake light light up. When I release the brakes, you see the light go back dim, kind of just like the same way your car lights work on the back of your car. Now once we get to the end of our stop, we press our F4 again to turn it off so we drop our pantograph. Now for more information on our electric decoders, be sure to check out SoundTraxx.com and give us a call if you have any questions about setup or operation. And these are available in stores now.